Hello everyone and welcome to UiBrains and this is Naveen. In this video we're going to see a new question. Okay, so in this there's a method which having two parameters, the string A and string B. Okay, so they given two strings, return their concatenation except omit the first character of each. The string will be at least length 1. Okay, so it means you have to just give the concatenation of you have to append both the strings together. Let's call concatenation. And you need to omit the first character of each. Yes, you can do the string 1 plus string 2, but only one condition is you must not add the first character and of the both the strings. Okay, so let's understand how you can do this. Okay, so here I have hello. Okay, first string I have hello, and the second string something called hi. So how you attach is it's not hello, hi. So if I just add str1 plus str2, you get this, but I don't want the first character and I don't need the first character of each. So how you do this? First tell me, they given any string, something called my name, right? So in that, if I say str dot, you want to get the partial string from this, you go for substring, right? So in this, if you pass 0, from the 0 index, you get the whole string. Okay, but I don't want a whole string. I want the string starts from the index 1, right? Simply you can pass 1. So str dot substring of 1. So from the index 1, you get a whole string. And we want the same. I want string from the index 1, the whole string plus index the second string also the same thing. Okay, so you want to skip the first character, you can just say substring of 1. So let me do this. Let me just simply, copy this back to here and let me paste. Okay, so I just write a shortcut, return a dot substring of 1. Okay, plus b dot substring of 1. Okay, so now it omits the first character, it omits the first character of b also, and plus is called as concatenation. Just both can be, append together. Okay, so I hope this is the solution. Let me just copy this and back to here and let me just paste and click on go. Yes, I got all the correct answers, right? And that is about this is about the solution for this problem, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see the next questions in the next video. Thank you.